Hey babies, it's Joynavon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, then welcome. So you guys, I finally did my first twist out on my tapered cut and I'm going to show you how I got these bomb results. So the first thing that I did was wash my hair, and this is the Urban Hydration Avocado Oil and Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, and at this point my hair is nice and damp, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick through it, make sure that it's detangled and everything for me to jump into styling. So now I'm grabbing the leave-in conditioner from the same collection, and this leave-in conditioner makes my hair so soft. I haven't used it in a minute, so I'm glad that I pulled this back out because I really love how this leave-in conditioner makes my hair feel. But now I'm just sectioning my hair off into two sections, and I'm just gonna go right ahead and jump on in, of course making sure to detangle my hair first with, a small tooth comb. And then I'm just grabbing some of the cream from the same collection, the Avocado and Argan Oil collection. So you guys, usually, and especially if you're a watcher of my channel, you know that I use a gel to do my twist outs and stuff, but this is like one of the first times where I didn't use a gel, and I haven't done a twist out on my head. I really want to say I haven't done a twist out on my head in like almost a year, like nearly, because I just don't do twist outs. They're just not, my thing that I do. I usually just do wash and goes, or I would just wear my fro out, or I'll do like, protective styles. But since I've cut my hair, I've made a vow to myself that I'm going to wear my hair out more often, and I'm going to give these styling methods a try that I haven't been feeling so confident in when I had my fro, like bantu knots and perm rods and like all these things. So this is my first go around of trying styling methods that I threw away. So this twist out was like crucial to me because I'm like, listen, I need to see what a twist out is going to look like on this tapered cut, because if it comes out cute, she's gonna keep doing them. And I'm so glad that I did this. So as you can see, I'm just continuing to, twist all of my hair. I'm just using the cream continuously. I'm not adding anything else to my hair, no gel, no nothing. And as I'm doing this, I could already feel the twist drying. Like, I love this cream because it does not take long for your hair to dry at all. And it doesn't make your hair hard either. It just, I don't know how to explain it. They literally have mastered the formula of this cream. So I just went ahead and did my makeup. I didn't even have to sit under a dryer or anything, and my twists were already dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel them. I did throw some oil on my fingers first before doing this. You always want to make sure you do that to avoid frizz. And you also want to make sure you're just taking your time. I'm speeding up this process, but I did take quite some time to unravel these little twists, and I'm just gonna go through and separate them where they naturally want to separate at. So in doing this, you don't have to separate your hair as much as I did. I just wanted my hair to look like a head full of curls, so that's what I did. But you can very well, just do things by your preference. But to add more volume to my hair and to help with that whole situation, I'm going to use a pick, and I'm just going to pick my hair out at the root. That is it. Do not pick your hair all the way through, just pick out at the root. So now I'm going to go in with the gel, the same exact gel from this collection, and lay my edges down a little bit. You don't need much, just a little will go a long way, and I'm using an edge brush to do that. And that is it, you guys. I absolutely love how this twist out came out. Please be sure to let me know what you guys think down below. Also, feel free to subscribe, tell a friend, spread the love. Come visit me on Instagram at joynavon, or in all social media, I'm all the same. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.